Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Code with Kabya. In my previous video, we will learn about APIs, what is APIs, why it is important in tech, and how you will use APIs in your daily lives. And now in this video, I will show you the top 5 VS Code extensions that make your coding life 10x easier. So let's get start our today's video. If you are studying coding, there are the tools that can help you clearly code, save times, and even make coding fun. Before we start, quick notes. Extensions are like apps for VS Code. You can install them and add extra features, just like installing apps on your phone. Alright, let's check out one of the most important extensions in VS Code. So, our first extension is Live Server. When you will create a document in your VS Code, then you will run the document in your browser. But you in the VS Code, you will use the extension of Live Server, and by clicking the extensions of Live Server, your project is openly in your local system. This is a classic. Live Server lets you open your code in a browser and instantly see changes when you save your code. You can save automatically. Your code will save automatically when you change the setting in VS Code. No need to refresh the page every time. It's update automatically. Perfect to web developers. It is perfect for web developers. So next, Prater. Next is Prater, code formatter. Messy code, extra space, don't worry. Prater's automatically format your code, looks clear and consistent. Just hit save and boom. Perfect format saving time. Next, GitLens. If you are using Git and GitHub, you love GitLens. It shows who wrote each line of code when it was changed and give you powerful version control tools right inside VS Code. Great for teamwork and understanding your code history. Our fourth topmost extension is auto rename tag. Working with HTML, then you need auto rename tag. When you remain an opening tag div, let's say example div, and it automatically update the closing tag. So no more silly errors and broken code. Our last and fifth topmost extensions in VS Code is ErrorLens and finally ErrorLens. These extensions highlight errors and warning directly in your code editor. This makes debugging super fast and beginner friendly. So let's quickly recap our topmost extensions that is used in VS Code. First, Live Server. Second, Predator. Third, GitLens. Fourth, order name tag. And fifth, error lens tag. Install these today and code will feel meek, smoother and professional. And coding will feel much smoother and professional. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more coding tips and tutorials. And you want update and behind the scene, follow me on my Instagram. Check out my daily blogs channel, Kabya Blogs, for daily life content. I will see you in next video.